sånt yhtiö Kruunun Puustellintie 4 in Malminkartano, Helsinki, staircase B.
We can actually film this together.
Oh, yeah.
It would go quicker than. Yeah, and the date is the 7th of August 2020. We are on Puustellintie and Puustellsvägen 4 staircase B. In Malminkartano, Malmgård, Helsinki, Finland. We are staircase B. We only have the staircase A left. We have been in C already too. Built in 1986, VS 7158. Amazing.
Yeah.
Of course. Upper sorting and 25 grams traction. Turning 35 years old in next year, 2021. And will be inspected in 2022.
Yeah.
And these are very rare.
Yeah.
Only 3 of them in this district.
Yeah.
But also rare in Finland. Another ride. For some funny reason I thought that there was 1983 with Michelin pictures, but no, they're still Michelin buttons.
Yeah.
On Luutnanttietie 10 AMB. Leitnantsvägen.
Yeah.
I'm going to press it this time, sorry. I have so many things today.
Expected parking lines maintained by this owner described this. And we got inside staircase C and B quite easily, even they have just 9 staircases. Yeah.
Staircases? That was a funny thing. The occupied light should go out.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's